If you're tired of vacuums that die mid-clean, cordless models with weak suction that miss debris, or expensive flagship vacuums beyond your budget, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best cordless stick vacuums that deliver powerful cleaning, reliable battery life, and versatile performance across every price point. From budget options for quick cleanups to flagship models with advanced detection, these vacuums prove you don't need cords for deep cleaning power. Whether you're a pet owner battling fur, busy parent needing quick cleaning, or anyone wanting freedom from outlets, we've got the perfect cordless vacuum. I've dropped updated links in the description. Let's get into it. At number 5 is the Bissell Featherweight Turbo Stick Vacuum at $40 to $70. The Featherweight Turbo features ultra-lightweight design weighing just 4 pounds. The corded stick design provides unlimited runtime. The 2-in-1 design converts to handheld for above-floor cleaning. The compact form factor makes storage easy. The bagless dirt cup is easy to empty. The multi-surface cleaning handles hard floors and low-pile carpets. The swivel steering provides maneuverability. The stretch hose extends reach for stairs. The suction power handles everyday debris, including dust and pet hair. The washable filter reduces ongoing costs. For budget buyers, apartment dwellers, or anyone wanting affordable cleaning, this delivers essential performance at entry pricing. The corded design and basic features place it at number 5. At number 4 is the Tineco Go Slim Cordless Stick Vacuum at $120 to $180. The 𝗖𝗄𝗄𝗃 Slim features ultra-compact design optimized for small spaces. The lightweight construction weighing under 7 pounds reduces arm fatigue. The cordless operation provides freedom from outlets. The slim profile enables storage in tight spaces. The battery provides up to 30 minutes runtime. The LED headlight illuminates dust under furniture. The washable filter and easy empty dustbins simplify maintenance. The suction power handles hard floors excellently with good performance on low-pile carpets. The quiet operation suits apartments. For apartment dwellers, quick cleanup needs, elderly users wanting lightweight vacuum, or anyone prioritizing portability, this delivers convenient cordless cleaning. The limited runtime and power place it at number 4. At number 3 is the Dyson 𝗖𝗺𝗁𝗂𝗃 10 Animal Plus Cordless Vacuum at $400 to $500. The V10 Animal Plus features Dyson Cyclone technology delivering strong suction. The 60-minute runtime on Eco Mode handles whole home cleaning. The point-and-shoot bin emptying mechanism ejects dirt hygienically. The fully sealed filtration system traps allergens. The powerful V10 motor provides fade-free suction. The torque drive cleaner head with nylon bristles deep cleans carpets. The soft roller head excels on hard floors. The mini motorized tool tackles pet hair. The whole machine filtration captures 99.97% of particles. The versatile attachments include combination tool and crevice tool. The wall-mounted docking station charges and stores accessories. For pet owners battling fur, allergy sufferers needing filtration, or anyone wanting proven Dyson performance, this delivers reliable cleaning. The older generation technology places it at number 3. Coming in at number 2 is the Shark Power Pro Cordless Stick Vacuum 𝗖𝗄𝗃𝗃𝗁𝗂𝗃 at $250 to $350. The Power Pro features Shark's anti-allergen complete seal technology, trapping 99.9% of dust and allergens. The PowerFin's brush roll with continuous cleaning contact digs deep into carpets while picking up debris on hard floors. The Multi-Flex technology enables flexible cleaning and compact storage by folding in half. The removable battery provides up to 40 minutes runtime with additional battery option for extended cleaning. The LED headlights illuminate hidden debris. The washable filters reduce ongoing costs. The XL dust cup capacity reduces emptying frequency. The anti-hair wrap technology actively removes hair from brush roll, preventing tangles. The powerful suction handles pet hair, debris, and deep carpet cleaning. The lightweight design at 7.5 pounds balances power and maneuverability. The accessories include crevice tool, upholstery tool, and pet multi-tool. The multi-flex folding design enables under-furniture cleaning and compact storage. The freestanding capability allows parking anywhere. The easy empty dust cup empties with single button. For pet owners wanting hair wrap prevention, budget-conscious buyers seeking flagship features, or anyone wanting versatile Shark performance, this delivers excellent value. The strong overall package places it at number 2. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum, earning this position by delivering the best overall combination of cleaning performance, advanced technology, battery life, and versatility. Pricing runs from about $650 to $750. The V15 Detect features Dyson's most powerful motor delivering 240 air watts suction. The laser dust detection technology uses precisely angled green laser revealing microscopic dust invisible to naked eye. The LCD screen displays real-time particle count showing exactly what you're picking up and proving deep clean scientifically. The intelligent sensor system automatically adjusts suction power based on detected debris levels, optimizing battery life. The 60-minute runtime on Eco mode handles whole home cleaning with higher power modes for intensive cleaning. The piezo sensor counts and measures particles, displaying size categories on screen. The scientific proof of clean builds confidence in cleaning effectiveness. The advanced filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. The whole machine-sealed filtration ensures allergens and bacteria remain trapped. The washable lifetime filter eliminates replacement costs. The filtration excellence benefits allergy sufferers and asthma patients significantly. The anti-tangle hair screw tool includes conical brush bar, preventing hair wrapping around brush roll. The tool works exceptionally on pet beds, stairs, and upholstery, removing embedded hair effortlessly. The performance eliminates manual hair removal, maintaining effectiveness. The pet owner benefit is substantial, reducing maintenance time. The click-in battery system provides easy swapping with optional second battery for extended runtime. The battery management optimizes performance, balancing power and runtime. The charging time of 4.5 hours is reasonable for overnight charging. The battery longevity maintains performance over years. The versatile cleaning heads include laser slim fluffy for hard floors revealing hidden dust, high-torque cleaner head automatically adapting to floor types, and specialized tools for every surface. The tool switching is quick and tool-free. The accessories include combination tool, crevice tool, hair screw tool, stubborn dirt brush, and wall-mounted dock. The ergonomic design balances weight, effectively reducing wrist strain. The point-and-shoot bin emptying ejects dirt hygienically without touching debris. The clear bin enables monitoring fill level. The maintenance is straightforward with washable components. What makes the V15 Detect #1 is delivering scientific proof of cleaning effectiveness through laser detection and particle counting. The laser reveals dust you didn't know existed, making cleaning thorough and satisfying. The real-time particle count proves deep clean scientifically. The intelligence adapts suction, automatically optimizing battery and performance. The powerful motor provides fade-free suction, maintaining performance throughout cleaning session. The battery life handles whole home cleaning confidently. The filtration excellence protects health-trapping allergens completely. The anti-tangle technology eliminates frustrating hair maintenance. The versatility covers every cleaning need, from hard floors to deep carpets to upholstery and stairs. The build quality ensures long-term reliability, justifying premium investment. The Dyson engineering excellence shows throughout, with thoughtful design solving real cleaning challenges. For allergy sufferers needing superior filtration, pet owners battling hair and dander, perfectionists wanting proof of clean, busy households needing efficient cleaning, or anyone wanting absolute best cordless vacuum available, the Dyson V15 Detect delivers exactly that. The combination of laser dust detection, particle counting intelligence, powerful fade-free suction, anti-tangle hair technology, superior filtration, and comprehensive versatility makes it the best cordless stick vacuum you can buy right now.